Hello, kindergartners. This is a science lesson found on scorecard number 7 on Monday. You are going to be a scientist today. A scientist is someone who observes and wonders, explores the world around them, shares their ideas and discoveries, asks questions, and records data. Scientists, when they use their observation skills, they observe quietly. They may use all 5 senses or maybe just one. They look for details and they use tools such as a ruler, a magnifying glass, and a paper and pencil to record data. Today, you are going to use your sense of sight to observe letters in nature. Look for things in nature that resemble letters in your name or other letters of the alphabet. Record your data using pictures or drawings and share your findings with your teacher on Seesaw. Take a look at my pictures that I found in nature when I went on a walk. Look at this tree trunk. What letters do you see? This is a park railing. And this is a sidewalk. Did you see the same letters that I saw? How about these pictures? This is a drinking fountain at a park by my house. These are some branches falling off a tree. And this is some asphalt. Did you see those same letters? And one more page. This is another tree. Some sticks on the ground. And another tree branch that was falling. Did you see these letters? All right, scientists, go out and explore, see what letters you find, and we're excited to see your data.